County in West Tennessee, northeastern Gibson County in West Tennessee, eastern O'Brien County in West Tennessee, northwestern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Mayfield to 7 miles northeast of Fulton to Union City, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Union City, Fulton, Dressing, South Fulton, Greenfield, Gleason, Troy, Kenton, Sharon, Cottage Grove, Latham, Palmersville, Bernier, Woodland Mills, Rives, Sand Hill, Mason Hall, Mount Pelia, and Jones Mill. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry, O'Brien, and Weakley.